what the time is. Well, I'm already explaining.
This moment.
Okay, so let's
I have no excuse.
All right, let's 3, 2, 1.
No. What the hell?
Hey God, Mabel.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I have someone special with me and we are going to be doing a very challenging challenge, if you can say that. So you're going to be, the name of the challenge is a no mirror makeup challenge. So we're going to do a full face of makeup without looking in a mirror. So let me introduce my guest to you, Miss MABEL.
Hi guys. So yes, we're doing that challenge. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited. I hope you are excited as well. How do you think you're going to look in the end?
Lit.
Is that what you think? I'm scared for real.
Lit.
But yes, we can never worry.
Even if my ugly is lit, in my eyes it's still lit.
It's
so
lit.
Yeah, what's up? And she came all the way from Nigeria to do this. So if you guys haven't subscribed to her channel yet, yo, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, what's up?
What are you waiting for?
Imagine.
MABEL's channel, very simple. MABEL_S channel. MABEL's channel. I'm waiting for your subscription. So let's get this challenge started. Don't you think? You ready?
Yeah.
You sure you're ready?
Let's go, sis.
All right.
Okay, so before we get right into the video, she's been in Ghana for some time and she's tried Ghana jollof and
Yes,
a couple of other things.
Yeah.
But what is Ghana without Kinky? So we brought her something.
Oh my God. This is Kinky. Thank you, girl. Thank you so much. Do you know I just asked someone yesterday where I can find people that actually weave it?
This type are not really common.
Oh, they have different types.
Oh yeah.
And they don't weave it in Accra. They said it's in Kumasi.
Oh, they do. They do weave it in Accra too. Just that you won't get this kind of patterns.
Oh wow, thank
Yeah.
you, girl. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you.
She's
I found
happy.
my sister. Ah, you have to come to Nigeria. I have to host you. Will you come?
Are you worried when I start flooding your house and you start packing my room?
Come, please. Come. Don't make mouth. Come. Oh my God, we're going to do this challenge now.
Okay, guys, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I think, well, for me, before I do my makeup, I think skin prep is like
Very important.
Yep. So I normally like to start off with wipes, and then I'm just follow up with the micellar cleansing water. This literally like erases every dirt from your pore.
Are you serious? Let me see.
Like it's dope.
I'm using your product, so I'm just going to.
Yeah.
Do as you
And it's
do.
for all skin types, so
Oh,
you
wow.
don't have to worry about acne and blah blah blah.
All right. Mirror makeup challenge. Oh, you can sing. Let me know if I can try myself.
Hey, you hear my voice now, eh? Big no.
This girl. God. So yeah.
Okay, so this is how my wipe looks like right now. So
Very clean.
I've had dust throughout the
Yeah.
day, so chopping. So as she's still cleaning her face, I have some cotton pleats here. I'm just going to take this.
Wow. So
I wanted to finish fast, so I take a lot so that I can finish. So I'll buy another one. Not like I'm rich.
this
Just like
doesn't
buying
finish early.
stuff. You know,
Yeah, I have it at home.
frustrating.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go in with the simple micellar cleansing water, and I'm just going to put a few drops on my cotton. and I wait for her to finish hers. So
You've put some, right?
okay.
Abi, am I correct?
No, I said I was waiting for you. So
Okay. Oh, okay. So,
poor my sister.
sorry. Thank God. So you
Let
want
it
everything to
finish.
finish. So
Yes.
sorry.
To finish.
So I'm going to start from my problem area, as usual.
And you clean from your nose. Swipe.
It feels really good. Doing Joe.
You're all fine now. May I start doing
How will
job?
I blend it? Something that I'm not seeing.
I think we should even set timer for this thing.
No, let's not set time.
If we don't, we will spend the whole day here. So we are putting timer. How many
20
minutes?
minutes.
Now. How long will this
20
video last?
We'll skip some and make some fast.
No.
Okay,
We'll make
10.
it 8 minutes.
10.
Tops.
10.
10.
It's hard. Why?
I started. I know my brows look weird, but I cannot come and kill myself. You can
apply
so
it
it's
for me.
okay. No, you can do this one yourself because it's small.
That's what I actually meant. Like,
Okay.
Makeup and this one.
Time is still going. No. Yeah, 5 minutes out. I mean, 1 minute something out. My math teacher died early, so.
Oh my god.
Okay, so let me mind my business. Black.
Let's take thumbnail picture.
Let's hold makeup. Let's hold makeup.
Okay. Bro.
Then check the small.
Okay. I have take. Well, I'm already explaining.
This moment.
Okay, so let's see.
I have no excuse.
All right, let's
3,
2, 1.
No.
So she won.
What the hell?
Hey God, Mabel.
The red lip even killed it.
Me, I went for nude. I was just too sure that red. I can't even try it.
Is there something that this concealer?
Yeah. I think I tried. What do you think?
This is perfect for someone.
You did awesome.
This is perfect.
Okay, what were you thinking? How did you think you performed? Sincerely.
I look like someone who I've never heard about makeup till now.
I'm sure it's all these things. Just look at. You guys just look at. It was just all of these. The whole. Why did you even go that far to do this contouring?
If you are making a video for our subscribers, I mean,
You have to do the best.
you know, yeah,
I
you
feel
know,
you.
and you have to give them a
I feel
good
you.
laugh too.
But you guys, so now who is the winner? Tell us in the comment section for us to know.
I am.
Is she the winner? Is she really the winner? Look at us very well. Oh, yeah, close
If
your
you like
eyes.
masquerade in your hometown, I am the winner.
So let's know who won this challenge. Drop it in the comment section. I had a good time filming this with you.
too.
I had a good time. The problem was time. You said that you insisted that we had to time this video. In the end, I liked it because it made me rush.
Yeah.
I'm sure if I had time, I would have done better.
No, you would have done much better. I would have still looked like this. Please. This is how far the Lord has brought us, guys. So,
Yeah. I tried. No, I tried.
Oh yeah, you did.
I tried.
If
I
my
tried.
friends saw me right now, they'll say they didn't know me.
Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to subscribe to her channel, and also do not forget that I love you so
Subscribe to her
much.
channel
And you subscribe to
too.
my channel as well. I'm going to see you next time. Bye. Let's do them kisses. Mwah.
Red lipstick on your cheek. Bye, guys.
So this is the after.
Let me take a